Hey there, Ronnie with Schaefer's, and today we're going to reverse the dryer door on a Speed Queen top-load dryer. So, take our screws out of the door, off the hinges. Set our door aside. And then we'll want to change the hinges from the right side to the left. And there's a couple little plastic caps you just need to remove. Just pop them off. And then those will go on the other side where the hinges were. We'll take the hinge out. And we can just move the hinge over. And we'll do the same thing with the upper hinge. And you have your little door clasps that are on both sides, so nothing you need to do there. Then we need to get our door switched. Okay, so this is the way our door was. And we'll just pop it out, flip our door around. Just make sure to get that clasp switched over. Just pinch in, just move it over to the other side. There's a little lip, just make sure it goes under that lip, and everything pops back into place. And we can just screw the door back together. Now we'll get the door put back together. We should be able to come over. We can replace the plastic covers, just pop into place, and then we can put our hinges back on. There you go. And that completes the reversal of a dryer door on a Speed Queen top-load dryer.